mansanitas oh. Wala na unsa diha. Wala na tulog diha.
Wala na tulog.
Oh my God, ang truck.
Ang bindo ano? Unsa na bindo?
Ang bindo.
Wala man unsa ang bindo. Wala man unsa ang bindo.
Bukat ang kuan dayo.
Te, kung wala ang kuan, kung wala ang mansanitas te, hurot ang balay. Puluad jud oh.
Hurot yun ni unta.
Okay ra man ang driver, okay ra.
Kimo dia unsa man mo?
Oh my God. Tagamako mo.
Pa di ay mo.
Naon sa dina wad break? Na loose break? Kami ako maunsa wala. Grabing lagubo.
Wala na pabalo dito sa ila ko ang.
Karon lang siya.
Video ko dai.
Karon lang jud unsa oras ron?
Motor no.
Alas 11 karon lang jud guys oh. Naluad akong mansanitas oh. Oh my God. Ayan guys oh. Tagamako daw ni sila. Sus ang akong mansanitas diri oh. Luad kayo. Kung wala hurot jud na ang kuan.
Tabang yung mansanitas.
Oh. Hello, grabe.
Pauli ni. Mansanitas oh.
Na, tinga ako ba nahayag man ang pag-abri na ako nahayag man nawa man ang mansanitas.
Ilang tubig wa.
Di nagtanaw pa ko tip nagtiglix man. Wala, dugay ko matulog. Ako sa maron ang gigipo ko na kulab ta sa maron anak.
Kaya papa.
Okay ra mo diha. Okay ra mo wala mo na unsa.
Ra okay ra oy.
May gani oh.
Kanang asa pa di mo siya gikan?
Dito mi sa kuan, naghatag may kuan, siminto bakal.
Ay Ginoo ko. May gani wala sa
Ay
inyo.
gani kay kanang hinay ay kuan wala lang mo na.
Oh, base na kuan. Tingnan ko gusto maron magkanang dag. Abi na kog dagom ba. Oh. Base naka-damage pa na. Love. It's really help if this one is not here. That one all gone. See? Oh my God. Ang akong kawayan dari nahurot. Oh, break. Ang kawayan dari nahurot. Na lampurnas. Na lampurnas jud. Nara guys, ang dump truck tagamako daw ni sila. Naghatod sila og semento bato, tapos nag-loose brake sila diha kay paliko man dito diha nga side. Ayun.
Abi yung motor na lang pa.
So, the mansanitas is gone. The tree here and the bamboo as well. We have lots of bamboo here. That's Earthbag House, and this is the big mansanitas tree here. Oh. Gone, no? Kung wala pa ning mansanitas, hurot jud ng kuan. Nakatabang jud akong tanong-tanong di ay. Dili nag-loose break lang jud sila do. Gikan sila naghatod og halublak. Padulong pa sila, pauli na silang mako. Ayun. Nawadaan daw sila break. Gani wala sila na unsa ang driver ug ang kuan. Kani sila oh. Na kuan ang bindo ni Ate Gingging og iyang gasolinahan, iyang store dere naguba. Vlogger.
Vlogger. Patay oy vlogger. Wala na bisa manjak ang buko diri. Lima bala mi diri.
Tingnan ko ba natanong og TV. Usa maron dalugdog. Gani abi yes, si Stewart ni giga na siya. Gipog. Huy, bangon na nay tabo sa gawas.
Dalugdog ra kay kusog. Wala ba siya dalugdog?
Bangon na siya nakapamon ito na mura. Naka short ribong. Sus, kung wala jud ang kuan. May gani wala natulog dire no. Wala natulog dire?
Siya, magawa ng tama hulog.
Aw. So, ang kawayan. Nawa ang kawayan. Diri, nawala ang kawayan, oh. Ang mansanitas. So, by the next day guys, this is the morning and that's what it looks there. All my bamboo close to the manzanitas tree is all gone. Actually, the manzanitas tree guys, it's really big. I planted that, it's nearly 3 years already and it helps, you know, because if the manzanitas tree is not there, did you see that small sari store? That will all gone, and inside of that there is 4 container of gasoline. And you know what will happen guys, if there's gasoline inside and it hits in this accident, you know what will happen. And yes, it's very big damage, you know, even the front of the mini dump truck. The manzanitas tree is very big and it's, you know, gone because of very fast driving. It's good thing it's not daytime happen, because if daytime, you see this uncle, the purple jacket or purple, no, violet, something like that, he always every day there, he sit there with his, you know, he's selling. And if it's daytime, something wrong talaga on him, but thank God it's nighttime. Anyway, they settled already, you know, it's already fixed what they need to do for this store, so it's good. You know, the owner is very responsible as well, and the truck driver as well, so they pay for everything that damage. And it's funny, you know, this owner that's wearing brown sweater, he's very disappointed, but it's accident. And
Kabiting by for boss, pra.
So that's it, guys. I will plant again manzanitas there for, for example like that again. And I'm not wish, but for safety, And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and sorry for my English is not really good. Bye.